Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to do compound assignment with augmented addition. That sounds complicated. In programming, it is common to use assignments to modify the contents of a variable. Remember that everything to the right of the equals sign is evaluated first. So we can say myVar is equal to myVar plus 5 to add 5 to myVar. Since this is such a common pattern, there are operators which do both a mathematical operation and an assignment in one step. One such operator is the plus equals operator. Var is equal to myVar. So what we're doing is setting this variable is equal to 1. So now we're saying 1 is equal, we're adding 5 to it. And so if we console log this, 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. So we want to convert the assignment for A, B, and C to use the plus equals operator. Interesting. Okay, so they only want us to modify code below this line. A is equal to 3, B is equal to 17, and C is equal to 12. Okay, so this is all the exact same stuff. So basically, they're just trying to get us to do this. Now, if we run the code, I think it'll pass. Oh, interesting. They want us to set the variables equal to different things. Okay, so A is equal to 3. And so we want A to equal to 15. So 15 minus 3 is 12. Oh, I see what I've done here. So the plus needs to be on the opposite side here. So I thought they wanted us to change all the numbers. Okay, so I see that they're making us do this 3 times, but I think it's important to talk about like the specific reason why we're doing this. Plus equals 1 is the exact same thing as saying A is equal to A plus 12, right? A is equal to 3 right now, so A is 3. But right now what we're doing is we're saying A is equal to 3 plus 12 because A is currently 3. And then as soon as we render this, and this becomes 15, A becomes equal to 15. And so if we console log down here, A, it's going to come out to be 15, right? So that's what this is doing. It's just saying this is equal to this plus that number. And this is just shorthand for doing it this way. I actually like this way a lot because I think it looks really clean. So I use this. This is the way that I always program. If there's a way I can make that seem a little bit easier. Okay, cool. So right now A is equal to 15, right? But what if we did A plus equals 3? What would that turn out to be? 18, right? Because 15 plus 3 is equal to 18. And we could do say we wanted this to be 20. So what would we do? A is plus or equal to 2, and then this will render out to 20, right? Because so now A started out at 3, and now we've added 12 to 3, so we've got 15, and then we added 3 to 15, so we have 18, and now we've added 2, and that is how this plus equals operator works. I hope that going into detail with this helps you kind of understand this concept a little bit more, and at the end of the day, for the test to pass, we've got to get rid of all this stuff. I'm just going into this for your own sake. I hope this is useful, and we'll see you in the next lesson.